name is Fatima, and today we are at the Buena Vista Labor Camp here in Oxnard, California with the Radical Walking Tours. This was the largest Bracero program camp in the United States, and it's located on the east side of 5th Street in Oxnard. This site housed as many as 5,000 Braceros during its peak during the 1940s until its end in 1964. The Bracero program was implemented in 1942 due to farm labor shortage during world wars. That is it for today. Make sure to tune in for the rest of our videos, like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.